What's up, everyone? It's me, Adam Prime, and I'm back with more raise buckles. And yeah, these are the claw and chain array raise buckle, or the chain array and claw raise buckles, if you'd prefer. Which Geats nor Tycoon have used these in the show so far, from what I've seen. Have their names on the side. You got the Desire Grand Prix. You got them with boost on the back. You got that, and you got all those warnings, and you got they can do that and the other thing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. These, like, the boxes for these 2-packs are really kind of simple. It is cool to see, like, them using it, but I'm realizing Tycoon doesn't even look like he's holding the chain array ball. Like, that looks like a PS2 maybe model of a wrecking ball or something. I don't know if that's real or not, because I don't think the prop looks like that. But let's get the buckles and the driver in here, and we will start seeing what sounds they make. And here are the buckles, and they look good. But we got chain array, which is just a wrecking ball that is orange. I do like the orange they used. I think the orange looks really good. You got the silver for the chain, and if you pull back, you can see some holes, but I think it's honestly just because I think this claw and arrow, I think, just share a base like mold, and they just make a new little shell piece to go on top, obviously a new rail, and its rail is number 10. So yeah, there you got that. And I guess it really doesn't matter. Next up, we got another yellow one with claw, and I like how you almost get some Wolverine-like action of a popping claws. They pop out, which is fun. I like that. I do think that's kind of cool. Which they are number 9. So yeah, that's claw. All right, let's use chain array in the driver. Get the nice orange LED. All right. Now let's bring in a different raise buckle. Let's bring in water. Now let's try out Magnum. Now that we did that, let's try out claw. Oh shoot, I almost forgot to use boost with chain array. Oh. Oops. uh. My hand slipped and hit the button and it slid out. That's what happened. I'm not gonna lie. There we go. And since we already have boost out here, might as well use it with claw. And there's that. Alright. I want to use the arrow. There's that. I like that these are both highlighter colors, not gonna lie. And, you know what, last but not least, let's use it with Ninja. And that's pretty much it for these raised buckles in the Desire driver. So let's get the Magnum Shooter 40X out here, and we will see what they do in that. Alright, here it is. So let's use Chain Array. And there's that. And there's that. And that's pretty much it for these two buckles. They're both really solid, honestly, in my opinion. I like them both. I think they look pretty cool. I like that they have like that like go back kind of thing, so you can kind of just thumb it around, especially like one like this. But it also has a cool motion with like I said, the Wolverine like almost popping out. Look at the "don't make me pop my claws, bub." Boop. And like is that like that? I don't know why. That's just, this gives me Wolverine vibes, man. Like I think it's the yellow and black. I think it's the yellow and black. But yeah, no. I also like just the bright orange. I do like these both. So, two solid buckles. But much like the last set, you can get these in both Gashapon and Candy Toys, and I know I'm probably going to be ending up with doubles of these. So, yeah. These are, there's alternate ways, but much like I said last time, the DX sets aren't even that expensive either. They're like $8 for both of them. So that's $4 for $4 a buckle, which isn't that bad. And I don't know how much cheaper the Candy Toy or Gashapons are. Matter of fact, I would think maybe they might be even more expensive. I'm not quite sure. But the DX ones are pretty solid, and I enjoy them a lot. I'm glad to have them in the collection. I love that they have functionality in the Desire Driver and the gun, but I said that all last time for the Arrow and Shield set, but that's not a surprise with this set. So, what do you guys think? What do you guys think of these two new Raise buckles? I like them a lot. I even like the weapons they give you a lot, which, like, if I remember correctly, Claw, even though people were like, oh, this looks like Gowon's Claw, they're going to reuse it. No, they reused, like, the Valkyrie, like, saber-toothed tiger claw things from the V Cinema, and weirdly enough, a Zenkaiger thing they did reuse was SD World's Chain Array. So, that's kind of funny. So, yeah, there's a fun fact for you. Thank you so much for watching, and leave your guys' thoughts down in the comments. I'm not afraid to hear them. So, until whatever I do next, bye.